Hello everyone, this is Amir from Frame History. Today I will show you oil paint effect. This is very cool and effective. I will give you free action download link, but you have to see the technique how I am using it. Later on you can use it. This is very cool effect. Let's make it. First you will download the action and you can install it from here. You can load it in here, or you can just double click on action. It will automatically appear in action panel. Then you can just play the action. It will take few seconds. Now what you have to do, you have to just change the foreground or background color. It will be opposite of this one. This one white, this will be black. Now you can just select the brush and you just erase the skin portion. I'm doing it quickly, but you take your time to make it perfect. Let's see how does it look before and after effect. This is really cool effect. Now we'll try this effect in another image. Now we'll try it on here. This is the same process. We will just select the brush and foreground color black and we will brush on the skin portion. You have to be very careful about the skin portion, otherwise it will not look good. If you think you have done something wrong, just reverse it and again brush it. It will again give you the same effect. This is very cool effect. I hope you guys like it. Now we'll see the before and after effect. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.